teaching train. All aboard! Today we're reviewing Blippi's My First Science Kit color mixing fun.
What's the age range for this kit?
3 and up. Let's unbox. Now here, we keep unboxing this science kit. Yeah! Yes, I know I am strong. There we go. Yeah! Smash! I think I even ripped the instructions a bit. There are instructions, 3 beakers, fizz tabs, a funnel, a dropper, a color wheel, some of these, 3 beakers, and 3 lids.
All right, so first thing the instructions said to do was fill each of the beakers with 50 milliliters of water. We've already done one, so you want to put 50 milliliters in the empty one?
That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
So we already filled one of these with 50 mil. Now I'm gonna fill this one up to 50 mil. It's just water, so you can dump some out if there's too much. Here we go. There we go.
All right, and that should leave 50 milliliters in the last container.
Yep. Here we go. Now it's time to drop in these fizz tabs. Now it's time to drop in these 2. I see some bubbling. This is very cool. Look at all this. It's so satisfying. Ooh, yeah. Purple's almost gone. It's releasing so much.
All right,
Blue is doing a chunk.
We'll let those fizz tabs
Fizz?
dissolve, and we'll come back in a little bit.
So the fizz tabs were all primary colors. See, like my mask, it's green. It is not a primary color. This beaker of yellow, it is a primary color.
So can you explain what a primary color is?
A primary color is a color that cannot be made. Like if I mix 2 colors from here, I can make an entirely different color.
Okay, let's make a new color. What happens if we take some blue and some yellow?
Let's find out what happens. I'm taking 20 mils of this.
Okay.
And let's put it through the tube.
All right. And then if we mix 20 milliliters of yellow, we should get another color.
Think on what color it might be. You might be seeing it right in front of you, and it's the thing that is talking. And
Okay, let's put the top on, shake it up, and let's see what we have. You can kind of see the color already.
yeah, you kind of can. Make sure when you do this, you screw the cap on really tight. Like I did. We have the color
All right, so blue and yellow, when mixed, will make the color green.
Yeah.
What happens if we mix red and yellow?
Let's find out. Let's do this in the red tube. Now let's go 20 mils of red plus 20 mils of yellow. Let's go. Now, let's put the cap on and shake.
And what color do we have?
This color.
Orange. Red and yellow, when mixed, creates orange.
I'll give it a little more of a shake. There.
All right, the last two that we haven't mixed yet, blue and yellow, blue and red. What happens if we mix blue and red?
Let's find out. First, I'll put in red. These are the last primary colors we haven't mixed. Now let's put in the blue. Now let's put in some of this blue stuff. You can already kind of see the color.
Can. Looks like it makes purple. So blue and red, when mixed, makes purple.
Yeah. But there's one experiment we have not done.
Oh, and what is that?
What if all the colors are mixed?
Oh my goodness. Well, we have a nice big blue container there. Why don't you see what happens if you mix them all in the blue container?
First, let's dump in red.
You already know that will turn purple.
Mix that up a bit. What happens if I add yellow?
Alright, so what do you have?
Don't forget about these. We need some of these.
Well, let's see what color what's the resulting color. What would you call that?
It's either brown or black.
It's kind of brown or black. Very
Yeah.
dark color.
And now I'll check for these. First, let's mix in a bit of green. I got some green. And some more. Mix it all together. Kind of the same. This last activity is fading colors.
If you can't squeeze out of that, just pour some into the empty beaker. Yeah, I think we need some more. Why don't you just pour some in? So by fading a color, we take
Any color.
and then what do we add?
White or clear. in.
It becomes lighter.
Let's mix it up.
To make a color lighter, we would add white, and that would create a shade. Do you know what color you would add to make it darker?
You would add black.
Yeah. All right, Charlie. So, with
So-
this Blippi color kit, what is your review? What is your opinion of this kit? Do you like it?
I love it. Now I'm gonna quick do an example of making the color dark. Here we have some ordinary green. Now if I bring in some of this black
Oh, look at that.
and then mix.
I can see it. It's a darker shade of green.
But what if I put it in a different beaker? Wait. So I'll just use this lid as something to hold this in. Now I'll add clear. Kaboom. As you can see, it becomes a lighter shade.
All right, so parents, this color kit comes with multiple color fizz tabs, so you can run different kinds of experiments. So certainly fun for any age.
Above
Bob's-
three. Above
Bob's
three.
recommends 3 or higher. So enjoy.